in Dongmukak causing difficulties to local villagers. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Jobon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. As rain continues in the northern parts of Karbi Anglong, the residents of Horitaro village have been affected by flood. More than 14 houses in the village have underwater and the inhabitants are forced out of their homes. Whereas several parts of the district are still hoping for rain, the northern parts have been experiencing heavy rain for the past many days. This had resulted in flood situation under Mahamaya constituency, especially those areas under Dongmukak. Horitaro village had been the worst affected village where people's residential houses have been submerged by water. Getting reports of the situation through several posts in social media and telephonic conversation with local party workers, MSC and KACM Lunsing Teron had early on Thursday morning visited Horitaro village. He was accompanied by VDC Chairman Rajas Teron, Dokmoka Municipal Board Chairman Biren Singh Teron and several others. During the visit, he had provided basic needs including rice, cooking oil and biscuits and little financial help to the affected families.
Kasila soa langkang lumolobot kita minili kardulong lokpen pididak alang litumpan asabe kita sanglin ke yang tuibong aben paru popo tangka nangeron pasini litum pini vidisia tim town committee tim mondol committee tim dak Mahamaya enter Mahamaya tim mesini tundak pini nangke humrilo.
Locals are very happy and pleased with the immediate response of the MAC. However, there is not much improvement seen in the flood condition and it is expected that the situation will remain the same for a few more days unless the weather changes.
Atumi nungwe lang thela so social media ni litum pi penalang lita tong sikot pen litum ha sanglin kep ke la pen jang thu ada liter na pilo la pen litum ha poisa nami pharu popo edon long litum ha pilpon lo alang li phanda churo la pen la bang so lang thela so towards tame alang li same chichak lo la sidame ni litum han sen gravels tame ang tik bipo towards the misen la pen aliki ik setame kedam tang setame aliki ik setame ni tum dong long lo silan so senon setame ke bang ji alang li phas tame ni tum Horitaro rong bas tame chirap dun po
Samsing T from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. It has been seen that many Karbi families hesitate to do farming with the fear of lack of human resource as help in the fields. However, the people of Chapong Khorsing Kro village under Puloni constituency has found out the solution to this. They had formed a welfare society which acts as a self-help group to assist themselves in farming works. Located at a distance of around 2 kilometers from Puloni market, the Chapong Khorsing Kro is a village whose inhabitants are dependent on farming. Thus, by forming the Longkoi Welfare Society, the villagers here help one another in the season of cultivation. On Thursday, the Welfare Society had begun their work for this year with transplanting of seedlings in the farmer's field. More than 100 people were involved in the work. The Welfare Society began working 4 years ago and since its inception, it had proven to be very helpful for them. Families with less numbers of members to work on the field are also getting it easier to cultivate as they have more people to help them. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that in the non-farming season, the society also does other works for the development of the society. Members here had even urged other villages in Karbi Anglong to form such societies.
Renuka terang pi di. Tang de nang lila so asai nang ke claim dun along. Nang li ning arong duma be.
Ning ngarong olo mane parti pen ke e kerap dun ma he.
Lal.
Arang si kerap dun ma ning karong olo.
Labang suk nang li tum rong si pen kacerap mante kaceto. La so asai nang li kimesen dong pujima mante ake nosi puji.
Misen tinili tume che thek long lo.
Mesen se kace thek long lo la panar mung kacetong mante rong si pen kacerap. La so asai ke nang li tum peneng tong ton kok jima la pentela ansu se nang li tum klempon pado silang la puson dak thak asai.
Tum ke la khiti klempor ke kai tara swateng si. Nanti ditum lang ke cerap bom lo. Mane ka cerap along ke jong si cerap re polote ni tum ke kaswa khiti je patang ke thedet pomati.
Kala.
La so khiti ba ke cerap lo misian lo pose je thek long ni tum bang ke.
Longkoi tiso pos ala welfare society la so ke claim ke dam along nang li ning pine ke matha duna son ma mesen son thek dun long manang li
Nili la so longkoi welfare society ke claim be ke nili da ke nili ke member lo la pen la so ke claim be ni me ke mi ulo pose matha da ate pining ke nikan ti ke chok lo tuning si wenta ke claim al thek ke penan ke thek long lo ke nin benda aku ni jung ta aku ke claim do bele aku son kiti bestam asila so society long pen aso claim pen hin ben ke megulo pusini hin ben mathada
la sela karbiang long arat doan mate khiti ke claim atum anaphan nangli upisi than bachini gangtung labang so asai ke claim pen ale ke do alam
nili karbiang long arat bangke pachini gang tu la hello karbiang long jitu da don tin ta karbi tengke asap su ke long ledu kasi nilim na tha bangke adon tin ta mi ini chi claim nai pusini mathada aso claim lo butang te our side thidung long te nili tum ke claim masini tum tai yak ang thek long
Dear Chuna Rongpi from Puloni for Caribbean on Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chume sen akhan an long inchi ladak nanglitum karbi kitun ke danga tengpensi long poniji kelong jia sona monglake hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang han hipi ki phi chatni dumke karlu phak ok ki up phak ok slice fry phak ok ki phi phak ok ki mung lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mung vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponeji komania hemjong si birthday party pangri pangdona maila pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long ichi aprang pen ke pathi ke jiaphan 8761940579 lapen 9365239862 along humri lote longponeji lapen ningchibi ikha ajo ke sangja par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniglo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka karbiang long.
Villagers of Dhoniramingti village under Koilamati area of Nilip MSC constituency had on Thursday conducted a social work to beautify the village road. One person from every family took part in the work to make it a success. Road is one of the most important necessities in a society. It helps men in moving smoothly from one place to another. And bushes on the roadsides often make journey risky. There are the fears of some wild animals hiding in them. Thus, the residents of Dhoniramingti village had come forward to clean their road on their own without waiting for the gov's action. One person from each of the 50 houses inside the village had joined in the work. They cleared bushes and filled puddles and potholes with sand and stones. The day-long social work covered a distance of nearly 5 kilometers from Rongbin Langsunathoy near Kasumari Presbyterian Church to Mukak Langsu waterfalls. Villagers told Caribbean Life that this road is very important for the people for the area and it is very busy. People have been looking forward to the KAC to upgrade the condition of this road. However, until the KAC comes into action, the villagers must help themselves, and it is with this spirit that they had done the social work. Some well-to-do and kind-hearted persons of the locality, including Jiraningti, had contributed for the day's meal for those involved in the work.
Dhoniramingti villager, here we are gathering together to do a social work. As we all know that now it's a summer season and the grass around the road are growing up. So today we are cleaning our road because we know that since road is very essential part of our life during sick, during happiness and on every event we need our road. So we are cleaning our road today with all the villagers in Dhoniramingti village. And the most important thing is that in this road there is a church. Many people are coming on this church, and then one thing is another importance is that waterfall is there on this road. So we are cleaning this road for those who are visiting in the church, those who are visiting in the waterfall, so they can visit them, they can see them in a very happy mood.
Samson Ingti from Koilamati for Caribbean Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Caribbean Live and have a great day.